today we bring you a diva who doesn't just plan trips, she curates experience. Please welcome Savitri Balasubramanian, founder of Travel Savvy. And what is your one biggest success story?
One, this is very close to my heart. What started as a small group became a vibrant, beautiful group of ladies.
One favorite core value of yours from BNI?
My favorite core value has always been.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gunjan Jain, President of BNI Diva in the category of dentist. This is Diva, her business, her voice, turning passion into power, one story at a time. And today, we bring you a diva who doesn't just plan trips, she curates experience, turning journeys into stories and destination into emotions. Please welcome Savitri Balasubramanian, founder of Travel Savvy. Welcome Savitri.
Thank you, Gunjan.
So, quickly Savitri, could you just introduce yourself and your age in BNI and your category in BNI?
Hello everyone, I'm Savitri Balasubramanian, founder of Travel Savvy. I represent the category of travel expert in BNI Diva. I'm a founder member of the chapter and have been in BNI for the past 3 years.
Could you tell us about your vision in BNI and one thing that you constantly do in BNI to achieve it?
Okay, my vision in BNI is to be the go-to travel partner for any travel requirement within the network. So basically, when anybody hears the word travel, they should instantly think of Travel Savvy. Not just for their personal travel, but also for corporate and for curated group experiences.
And this brings me to a question. Can you tell us about your USP?
My USP is that what sets Travel Savvy apart is that we don't just sell packages. We create meaningful end-to-end travel experiences where you're just not visiting a place, you're actually experiencing the place in depth and understanding the culture of a place. So for me, travel is not just going to a place, it is more about understanding the destination more deeply, experiencing the place deeply.
Perfect. Can you tell us about what kind of a connects are you looking on this forum and or one of what are your referral partners that you look forward to?
Okay. For me, good connects would be corporate decision makers like HR heads, admin managers who plan corporate offsites, any family who's planning their vacation, maybe domestic or international, then women who want to travel in safe and curated groups,
Alright.
and also NRIs who visit India and they want seamless travel assistance.
So dear BNI family, open up your contact sphere. And one question that I would like to ask is, what are the common misconceptions that people have about travel, and how do you tell them about no, this is a myth, and how do you correct them?
Okay, one biggest misconception people have about us is that travel planners are more expensive than booking travel online. When actually it works better with us because we bring our own expertise, our curated recommendations, our trusted networks, and we avoid the client from making any mistakes. Plus, the customization and the support that we provide is something that no online travel platform can match.
Right. So go ahead.
So it's not just travel is not about saving money. It's more about not wasting money in the wrong things, and that is where Travel Savvy adds value.
Absolutely, I 100% agree to you that going ahead with someone who has experienced it and then providing you that service is always better than just booking it by yourself and wasting your money onto it. Correct. And what is your one biggest success story that you have received from BNI?
Okay, this is very close to my heart, and this one is the recent Run of Kutch group tour that I planned for ladies. So it started with one member joining and one BNI member joining, and she brought in 4 of her friends.
Wow.
And then another BNI member joined and brought in one of her relative, and then 2 more BNI members joined, and I had a couple of friends also joining in. So what started as a small group became a vibrant, beautiful group of ladies. And it was so memorable because all strangers, and I could see them connect and bond and create beautiful memories together. So that was a wonderful experience, and moreover, most of these people have become my regular clients now.
Wow.
And they also book their personal travel through me.
Amazing, Savitri. And I know that you are a experiential traveler yourself, and I would want to know one of your favorite memory about you have had a cool memory about like your travel memory. I would want to know that.
Okay. So I was visiting Nagaland for the Hornbill Festival in the month of December, and I had a small group of ladies also with me. What was the best part of the trip was that we were hosted by the chairman of a 700-year-old village in Nagaland. We met the oldest man and woman in the village. We met the locals. We learned to cook from the locals. We understood what they do for a living. And what are the values that they imbibe. And so many different things that made us so humble. Feel that, we get satisfaction with so many material things, but these people are, happy with just the simplest pleasures of
Correct.
life. So that was a very, life-changing kind of an experience for me.
Clearly, I can see how much you love to travel and why you are the perfect one. We can refer people because you love to do your job, what you're doing. Perfect. And one last question, I would wrap up asking you one favorite core value of yours from BNI.
My favorite core value has always been givers gain, because when you give and you want to see other person grow, then your growth is automatically guaranteed.
Yes.
You automatically grow, because one single referent can translate into so many multiple opportunities, like what happened in the Run of Kutch group tour. And when you give with a good intent, you always get back in bigger ways.
Correct.
So my favorite core value has always been givers.
And in a simpler way, it is what goes around comes around.
Absolutely.
And it was a delightful moment to have you here. Thank you for enlightening this podcast. And this is Diva, her business, her voice.
Thank you,
Savitri.
Thank you so much for having me here.